Today we'll explain step by step how we can recover our phone in one of the easiest and fastest ways, without losing any information or deleting anything. We won't delete anything in this video tutorial. We're going to do the following. We're going to type this code, *# 0228. This asterisk, and we're going to press call. Then, *# 028. Call. We're going to do it again. * 028 asterisk hash 0228 asterisk hash 0228. Next, we're going to turn off the screen, turn it on. Click here and see if it lets us. Enable safe mode. If it lets us enable safe mode, we're going to turn off the screen. Hold it down, and now we're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. We're going to press those two buttons, power button, volume down button at the same time until we form a restart. We're going to press, then release. We're going to release. But we see that it shows us the screen here. Now we press, release, press again. We're going to wait here until it takes us directly to what is the home screen. We're going to wait. We're going to keep holding. We're going to keep holding here. Ready. Now we can see here that we have enabled what is safe mode. We're going to turn it off and turn the screen on. Let's lower the notifications. Let's do the following. We'll turn it off here. Click here, and now we'll press and hold here. As you can see here. Let's leave it clicked here. We turn it off. Turn it on again, and now we're going. To double-click this option, we turn it off. Again, turn it on, and now we're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. We're going to press it and force restart. And now we're going. Restart it. To wait for our phone to restart and take us directly to the home screen, we wait a few seconds to complete this recovery process. We'll wait. Okay, let's see. And as we can see, we can now access our phone.